Well, good evening, everyone. This is Patricia, and I am traveling for history. You may have noticed I have started offering some premiere videos of late, and a couple of reasons for that. One is that people will be able to see the videos and what's coming up, and can decide to, hey, I'm going to go ahead and tune in and watch this. I think it looks really interesting. And the other is that we can have a live chat during that time, which I have been looking forward to doing. Alas, though, people are not chatting. I know, boo-hoo, right? But that's something I was really looking forward to doing with you. And the other is even two people have watched early in the morning because they've been slated for 5 a.m. I am not a morning person. And in fact, I set my alarm for 4:30 in the morning to do my postings and then to do a live chat. And this morning, I fell asleep at 3:30 in the morning, and the alarm went off, I'm guessing, but I did not hear it at all. So I'm going to change the time of the premiere video, and those are only for longer videos. For instance, regular history videos, not the shorts videos I offer. You know, for a 16-second video, there's no point in a live chat. I wouldn't even finish typing top of the morning to you before it'd be over. So that would just be silly. But I'm looking at starting those at 12:30 a.m. Rather than 5 a.m. because it's likelier I'll be up at 12:30 a.m. as opposed to 5 a.m. 5 a.m. So anyway, hope you like the change. And the next premiere video you see will be at 12:30 in the morning. Yay! And then it has certainly all day for people to, what's the word? Sort of graze. Oh, I think I'll watch that. That looks kind of nifty. All right, so hopefully that's a better time for everybody. And you know the drill. If you like my content, please subscribe. 314 and counting. So exciting. Thank you so much for subscribing. And I'm on all the social media. You are as well, including TikTok. I have videos on TikTok as well. Traveling for History, One Allen, traveling everywhere except Twitter, where I am traveling for HI 1. Traveling for HI numeral 1. So follow me, and we can chat wherever. So thanks so much for watching this video, and thanks for watching all my videos. Almost 600 on my channel now. This month I should hit that 600 mark. That's pretty exciting. And, well, until I see you again, I hope you have a fabulous night. Thanks for watching. Bye.